Banger.
Guys, welcome to another vlog of me making salads. So today we are going to make another salad. And if you're thinking I'm in my pajamas, I have already taken a shower. So without wasting any time, let's get started. But just giving you a context that today I don't have a lot of fancy vegetables that I used to use in my last videos, but we have very basic things today. So I'm going to make whatever I have in my house, and we're going to make the best out of it. So this vlog just focuses on what you have in your home and you make the salad out of it. So let's go. So
So
without
first I'm chopping up some carrots, and while doing that I realized something. I generally thought I didn't have enough vegetables at home. But once I opened the fridge properly, I found so many options. Honestly, my fridge was fully stocked. I guess the lesson here is to actually check before assuming you have nothing to eat. I'm adding some raw mango next because it's my favorite thing to put in a salad. It gives that perfect tangy kick, and I feel like it instantly makes everything taste better. If that's not in my salad, I'm not having it. Then we have onions, red cabbage, tomatoes, and of course, avocado. Although getting the seed out today was definitely not as easy as usually is, it just wasn't cooperating. So I decided to cut it into chunks and remove the seeds after. Sometimes you have to work with what you've got. At the same time, I'm boiling some sweet corn and chopping up some paneer. Once that's ready, I'm adding a little olive oil to a pan, roasting the paneer and corn together. Then goes in some salt and red chili powder for a little heat, and the smell is so good. I cannot tell you. While that's cooking, let's start assembling the salad. If you've watched my last video, you'll remember I had some leftover hummus, so I'm using that as a base instead of making a dressing. It adds so much flavor and makes the salad really creamy. And top of the hummus goes the roasted paneer and corn, followed by all the chopped vegetables. I genuinely love how colorful this bowl looks. It somehow makes eating vegetables feel a lot more exciting. Finally, I'm adding the avocado on top, and a twist that I'm also adding a cream cheese, just experimenting with my salad. Now, covering the bowl with a plate and giving it a good shake so everything gets coated nicely. It's probably the easiest way to mix a salad without a mess. And that's it. Time for the best part, the taste test. And honestly, it looks way too good not to be delicious.
hello guys. I'm all sweaty क्योंकि काफी ज़्यादा गर्मी है. Still, we have made this salad. Let's try it. मैंने पनीर को थोड़ा सा स्पाइसी कर दिया आज. I'm missing chickpea salad. It was so tasty. But still, let's give this a try, and I think this is new. I hope this goes well.
Banger. So damn good. Mm. When I've tied my hair because काफ़ी ज़्यादा गर्मी थी, and now I have like switched on fan. Usually जब shoot करना होता है तो I have to keep my fans and everything off because वो बहुत ज़्यादा noise create करता है. But now I have a mic, so I use this, and it's great. I think I should add more cream cheese to my salad. सबसे अच्छी बात है salads की that they don't feel heavy. They are like very light. और एक और चीज़ पता है, तो मैंने like I have seen this difference in me. जब से मैंने salads खाना start किया है, जब मैं बाहर जाती हूँ, unless it's पानी पूरी, बाकी कुछ भी कचौड़ी समोसा ये सब खाने का मन ही नहीं करता. पता नहीं क्यों. It's मतलब मेरे को इतना ज़्यादा पसंद भी नहीं था समोसा ये, but still I'm not like craving any चटपटा things. But yes, not pani puri. Pani puri is not included. Pani puri, we crave for it every single day, and we'll crave it for life. I really want to, well, just saying that I'm really thankful to God to give me this life that I could eat these vegetables and fruits. No offense to anybody, but still, I get to live this life. I'm so grateful. But I think it starts from the ground. Like I was thinking कि यार आज तो मेरे पास कोई सब्जियां ही नहीं है, आज क्या salad बनाऊंगी. But then I opened my fridge and saw that there are so many vegetables inside it. Like you could see, I had gajar, I had the cabbage, I had प्याज टमाटर खीर सब कुछ था. ठीक है, खीरा नहीं था, corns, and I made this salad. And I felt that even in life, like we just declare that we don't have enough. But if you go and look, there is a lot of things. And I'm not talking about the salad right now. I'm talking about your talent or anything that you must be saying that I don't know that. But if you never open the door of that fridge, you would never find out. So open that door. Wow. Salads plus life advice. And I think that all of this is possible because I'm living alone. Like getting to think that what I'm doing and how am I making decisions with that. I think living alone makes you reflect a lot. So definitely suggest that once in your life you should live alone. I think that's the best gift you could give to yourself. Initially बहुत ज़्यादा डरावना हो सकता है, but I think धीरे धीरे you get familiar with that. And बहुत ज़्यादा अकेले रहने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. I'm not saying just go get yourself logged in, but I think you should spend some amount of time of your day alone from all the other things. If you have time, if you get time, at least for 1 hour or 2 hours, just spend time with yourself, doing what you want to do, like doing what you like to do. Like I like to make salads, and like not just salads, but like to cook. And I somehow find out the way to express this, and it's working out. I think it's great.